at the Defense Security Asia, where our participation in this biannual show highlights Airbus' commitment to Malaysia. This shows that Airbus is not just supporting the country's national defense, but also their defense industry. Airbus is Malaysia's #1 aerospace partner. And when it comes to defense, our assets and systems play a prominent role enabling the country to fulfill a wide range of missions effectively. Today, there are over 80 Airbus rotorcraft, this is under the leadership of VESA, that are flying in civil, parapublic and military operations, including the state-of-the-art 12 H225Ms with the Royal Malaysian Air Force, RMAF. These helicopters operate alongside 4 A400M military airlifters, which again the RMAF operate on a wide range of missions. Our 2 satellite systems, the MEASAT 3B and the MEASAT 3D, have enabled Malaysia to benefit from a robust yet critical communications capability. And we are proud to work with the Malaysian Space Agency, MISA, on a wide range of space-related activities that Airbus has been providing satellite imagery to Malaysia since 1998. With over 40 years of history in Malaysia, Airbus's industrial presence goes beyond the commercial aircraft sector to the defense, space, and helicopter business. Airbus Helicopters Malaysia, AHM subsidiary, offers services including sale and distribution of helicopter products and services maintenance and overhaul of and modification work, logistics support, and ground handling. Here out of Subang. Malaysia is also the headquarters, the regional helicopter MRO hub for the Asia Pacific region, as well as the regional completion and delivery center. Airbus's footprint in Malaysia will grow over the coming years through a number of signings and announcements that will be made this week, increasing our industrial collaboration with local partners. This indicates Airbus's support for Malaysia's National Defense Industry Policy, NDIP, or in Malay, Dasar Industri Pertahanan Negara, DIPN. This was launched in January 2026 by Prime Minister Dato Sri Anwar Ibrahim.